I've arrived. It's definitely unique. This remarkably unique style of accommodation was designed by award-winning Mudgee architect Cameron Anderson and local builder Kalanda Constructions. I was actually very lucky to book a couple of nights here because it's booked out till July. 360-degree panoramic views everywhere I go. Lakes, huts, nature, everywhere. Fire pit, mountains in the background. It's beautiful. It's amazing. It's been an amazing day. I'm tired, I've had a few glasses of red, I've had a big day. I'm gonna have one more glass of red, I'm gonna have a shower, I'm gonna go to bed. I reckon I'm gonna have a good sleep. I'll see you guys in the morning for some epic sunrise, hopefully. Good morning, good morning. I got up out of bed, I looked up and I could tell the sunrise was going to rise straight from my bedroom. Another 360 panoramic view for you. Hut. Sunrise. Hopefully. Nature. Everywhere. Sunrise, hot air balloon, right above me. This place is excellent. Wow, what a morning. It's gorgeous out here. Just finished breakfast and I'm gonna go hit up some vineyards. Yeah. Supposed to do a test taste and like show you that video of me drinking it, but I just beat myself to it. Arrived at Lau Family Wines. This place is exquisite. So how would I sum up my experience at Gawthorne's hut? To simply say it's just a unique stay would be selling it short. Driving up to Gawthorne's hut, the initial visual impact is how the light hits the structure. However, the moment you step inside, you realise that it's also the way the light plays throughout that is just as impactful, if not more. An ever-evolving experience. It not only changes the space, but how you feel within it. An ode to design and the environment, celebrating every aspect to the fullest. All these incredible elements create a visual composition, which leave a lasting impression that, hey, I can honestly say, will be with me for quite some time. Anyway, that's me for today, signing off. I'm gonna enjoy this sunset, have a feed of a young Henry, and get some sleep. I'll see you guys in the morning. Morning guys, it's about 5:30 in the morning. I've had an exceptional 2 days filming here, but now unfortunately comes the worst part. I've got to go. So I'm going to enjoy my last brekkie here, pack up, and I'll be out. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.